In this class, let us see various types of swing buttons, out of which the first one is J button. So the J button class is used to create a labeled button that has platform independent implementation. The application results in some action when the button is pushed. It inherits abstract button class. So J button class declaration is like this. Let's see the declaration for javax.swing.jbutton class. Public class JButton extends abstract button implements accessible. So commonly used constructor in JButton class are JButton constructor. It creates button with no text and icon. JButton string, yes, it creates a button with the specified text. JButton icon I, it creates a button with the specified icon object. And commonly used methods of abstract button class: void set text string s, it is used to set specified text on button. String get text, it is used to return the text of the button. Set void set enabled boolean b, it is used to enable or disable the button. Void set location icon b, it is used to set the specified icon on the button. Icon get icon, it is used to get the icon of the button. Void set menu void set m mnemonic integer a, it is used to set the mnemonic on the button. Void add action listener a, it is used to add the action listener to this object. So now let us take up an example which will be explaining about J button. So import javax.swing.star public class button example, public static void main string arguments, jframe f equal to new jframe button example, j button b equal to new j button, click here, b dot set bounds 50 100 95 30, f dot add b, f dot set size 400 400, f dot set layout null, f dot set visible true. So when it is executed, the output of the button will be like this. Now J button example with action listener. Import java.awt.event.star, import javax.swing.star, public class button example, public static void main string arguments, jframe f equal to new jframe button example, final jtext field tf equal to new jtext field, tf dot set bounds j button b equal to new j button, click here, b dot set bounds, b dot add action listener, new action listener, public void action performed action event e, tf dot set text welcome to java t point, f dot add b, f dot add tf, f dot set size, f dot set layout null, f dot set visible. So when the above program is executed, the output is example of displaying image on the button. Import javax.swing.star public class button example jframe f equal to new jframe button example, j button b equal to new j button, new image icon, b dot set bounds, f dot add b, f dot set size, f dot set layout null, f dot set visible true, f dot set default close operation, jframe exit on close, public static void main string arguments new button example. So the output of the above program is another class is JLabel class. The object of JLabel class is a component for placing text in a container. It is used to display a single line of read-only text. The text can be changed by an application, but a user cannot edit it directly. It inherits JComponent class. So JLabel class declaration. Let us see declaration for javax.swing.jlabel class. Public class JLabel extends JComponent, implements swing constants. So the constructors are JLabel creates a label instance with no image and with an empty string for the title. JLabel string s creates a JLabel instance with the specified text. JLabel icon creates JLabel instance with the specified image. JLabel string s icon I integer horizontal alignment creates JLabel instance with the specified text, image and horizontal alignment. And commonly used methods are string getText, it returns the text string that a label displays. Void set text, string text, it defines the single line of text this component will display. Void set horizontal alignment, integer alignment, it sets the alignment of the label's contents along the x-axis. Integer get horizontal alignment, it returns the alignment of the label's contents along the x-axis. Icon get icon, it returns the graphic image that the label displays. So now let us take up an example which will be explaining about JLabel. Import javax.swing.star class label example. Public void main string arguments jframe f equal to new jframe label example JLabel l1 l2 L1 equal to new dot JLabel first label L1 dot set bounds L2 equal to new JLabel second label L2 dot set bounds F dot add L1 F dot add L2 F dot set size F dot set layout F dot set visible. So executing that, the output is first label second label. Now JLabel example with action listener. Import javax.swing.star, import java.awt.star, import java.awt.event.star. Public class label example extends frame, implements action listener, jtext field tf, JLabel L, jbutton B. Label example tf equal to new jtext field tf dot set bounds L equal to new JLabel L dot set bounds B equal to new jbutton find IP B dot set bounds B dot add action listener this add B add TF add L set size set layout set visible true. Public void action performed action event try string host equal to TF dot get text string IP equal to java dot net dot init address dot get by name host get host address set text IP of host is catch exception ex system dot out dot println ex public static void main string arguments new label example. So executing the above program IP of jtext field. The object of jtext field class is a text component that allows the editing of a single line text. It inherits JText component class. So JText field class declaration would be like this. Public class JText field extends JText component, implements string constants, and commonly used constructors are JText field creates a JText field. JText field string text creates a new text field initialized with the specified text. JText field string text integer columns creates a new text field initialized with the specified text and columns. JText field integer columns creates a new empty text field with the specified number of columns. Commonly used methods are void add action listener. It is used to add the specified action listener to receive action events from this text field. Action get action, it returns the currently set action for this action event source or null if no action is set. Void set font, it is used to set the current font. Void remove action listener, it is used to remove the specified action listener so that it no longer receives action events from this text field. Now let us see an example code how this JText field is used. Import javax.swing.star in class text field example. Public static void main string arguments jframe f equal to new jframe text field example jtext field t1 t2 t1 equal to new jtext field welcome to t1 dot set bounds t2 equal to new jtext field awt tutorial t2 dot set bounds f dot add t1 f dot add t2 f dot set size f dot set layout f dot set visible. So executing the above program you will get this. Now Java text field example with action listener. Import javax dot swing dot star. Import java dot awt dot event dot star. Public class text field example implements action listener. JText field tf1 tf2 tf3 jbutton b1 b2 b text field example jframe f equal to new jframe tf1 equal to new jtext field tf1 dot set bounds tf2 equal to new jtext field tf2 dot set bounds tf3 equal to new text field tf3 dot set bounds tf3 dot set edit table false b1 equal to new jbutton plus b1 dot set bounds b2 equal to new jbutton dot symbol b2 dot set bounds b1 dot add action listener this b2 dot add action listener this f dot add tf1 f dot add tf2 f dot add tf3 f dot add b1 f dot add b2 f dot set size f dot set layout f dot set visible true. Public void action performed action event string s1 equal to tf1 dot get text string s2 tf2 dot get text integer a equal to integer dot parseInt s1 integer b equal to integer dot parseInt s2 integer c equal to 0 if e dot get source equal to b1 c equal to a plus b else if e dot get source equal to b2 c equal to a minus b string result equal to string dot value of c tf3 dot set text result public static void main string arguments new text field example. So executing the above program the output will be looking like this.